Okay, now I'll tell about the two kind of object. One is called luminous object, which have their own light, which have their own light, like sun, and others are called non-luminous object. Non-luminous object which does not have their own light. Yes, example is, you can say moon, you can say table, so many things. Yes, wood, cardboard, these all are called as non-luminous object. Now if you want to see anything, we require, so first what I told, light is a form of energy which enable us to see. So if you want to see the object, we should know what the source of light is. So what the kind of object are. So we have two kind of object, one is called luminous, other is called non-luminous. Okay. Now if we want to see object, the concept is called as reflection of light. That is called as reflection of light. Reflection of light. What is reflection of light? What is reflection of light? See, we have this surface. Okay, this is called as a plane surface. So this is light rays. When they will go and strike, and they will come back. So these rays are called as incident rays. Incident rays. These rays are called reflected rays. Okay. You got my point? This point you can say O. This ray is AO. This ray is OB. This point is called as point of incidence. Nikunj, Sanvi, my voice is audible to everybody? Then this ray is called an incident ray. Incident ray will go and strike on point O, which is called point of incident, and after reflection, after striking back, they will come as a ray called OB. This OB is called reflected ray, and this is called as normal and imaginary line. This is called as normal, imaginary line. So angle between incident ray and normal is called angle I. This angle I is angle of incidence. This angle between normal and reflected ray, this is called as angle of reflection. So angle I is equal to angle R. So this is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is called as first law of reflection. First law of reflection. What is the first law of reflection? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now, in the reflection of light, first of all, light will come from the source of light. It will strike on the surface, and then again it will meet. If they are actually appearing, the image form is called real image. If they appears to meet, the image form is called virtual image. That we will discuss afterwards. Now, there are two laws. One is called angle I is equal to angle R. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Second is incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane, and normal all lie in same plane. Okay, so what is reflection of light? When a light ray is incident on the surface of the object is sent back into the same medium, this phenomena is called reflection of light. Okay, so what we have discussed, the point where incident ray strike is called point of incidence. This is the plane surface. From back side I have painted, and this AO is an incident ray, OB is a reflected ray, this ON is a imaginary line which is called as a normal. So angle between OA and ON is called angle of incidence. Angle between ON and OB is a angle of reflection. Okay, and this angle of incidence I is always equal to angle of reflection R. Okay, so there are two laws for angle of reflection. There are two laws for the reflection. First is angle I is equal to angle R, and the other is incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. Thank you.